Hello everybody, I am the Chubby Gourmet. Welcome. Today we're going to be making Colombian empanadas. So there's a good chance we're going to cause an international incident, but luckily Valentina's here to keep the peace.
And to make sure he doesn't burn anything.
And we're going to be doing this right today, okay? No shortcuts. We're going to be using real corn, which we cut off the cob, dried, and we're going to be making the masa real out of this. That's basically for the shell of the empanada. And to put a little bit of a different twist to it, we're going to be using Wagyu beef. Now, in reality, Colombian street food's not going to be using expensive cuts of beef like Wagyu. We're doing it to add some richness of flavor and see how they come out. I slow cooked this last night at 2 a.m. for 10 hours.
Wow, that's longer than some relationships.
Yes. So we're starting by making the masa real, and we're starting with real corn, dried corn, and we'll be using the food processor.
Yes, this is how we are going to make the masa real. This is how my mom made it. We are going to use this food processor. We need to have a soft masa, no mushy.
And here we have some masa ready to go. So now we'll be making our dough, our shell of the empanada with this. So we can set this aside, and next we make our guiso. Guiso is the filling.
Yes.
And what does the guiso contain?
Okay, we are going to use some tomato, onions, potato, some of seasoning, and obviously the beef.
Our slow cooked Wagyu. Okay, so you can just cut that sucker in half. Oh, look at that baby. Not much liquid, I like it. Watch your finger, please. Yeah, don't cut that way. Oh my God.
Another chef.
How much onion would you like, my dear?
A half.
We're using avocado oil, it's not mandatory. Avocado has the highest flash point actually, grapeseed as well. It's just a healthier oil. Nothing wrong with canola. We're just going high end here at the Chubby Gourmet today. Make it so. We add oil to a hot pan. Let the oil come up a little to temperature. Let's see. Perfect. That onion is making me cry now.
Oh, look at that.
Now he's got you too.
Yeah.
Either that or you're getting emotional. We should season with a little salt and pepper now. Little black pepper. And we're actually using cumin. In Colombian cooking, is cumin commonly used?
Yes, it's very traditional to use cumin.
Cool. We're authentic here. Oops. No mas, no mas. I smell it. Cumin's a very strong spice. It'll overpower if you get out of hand with it. Garlic powder?
Garlic.
Basta.
And we're going to add the potato. Already cooked.
Already cooked. Just plop it in.
Yep. We're going to add the Wagyu.
You'll have to tell me. I'll go little by little. You tell me when you've got enough. I think we need more than that.
Yes, please.
Carne is a beautiful thing.
Beautiful.
Look at that. I'm glad that you're liberal with the meat. I'll just keep going. That's looking beautiful, Val.
Yeah.
It's actually looking better than your mom's. I'm not putting your mom, I love your mom. Sorry.
Believe it.
Respect. Oh, I respect you. But this looks really damn good. Pardon my French.
The Wagyu makes a big difference.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna take our masa real. It's time to make the shell of our empanadas. And what we done is a piece of plastic, or in our case saran wrap, which is very thin plastic. We're going to be putting a ball of it onto here. I'll let Valentina demonstrate because she doesn't have butterfingers like I do. I'm going to put the ball here, fold it over, and squish it out into a pancake. And that we'll be putting our guiso, our filling, into and deep frying in some very hot oil. I'm going to mention here, you want the oil to be as hot as you can possibly get it so you get crispy, not soggy empanadas. We never want soggy woggy. 4 hours later.
I want to see you doing this part.
Oh, and that was my punishment, I guess.
So we add a little bit like this. It's all about the age. If you don't seal it properly,
You end up with beef soup.
and nobody wants this, you use like something like that. And that's it.
So she's trimming the edges, basically. Nice.
Beautiful.
You picked a perfect size using the ramekin as the cutter.
I will eat a plate.
It's always good to have big balls. Oops. Gotta be perfect. Oops. I say oops a lot, don't I? Maybe.
I told you.
Look at that.
You're not finished yet.
Thank you for your support. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Look at that. Oh, we have to flip him over and check out his backside.
I'm very impressed.
All right. He's bigger than all the others too.
Well, he wins in this part.
Well, our empanadas are made ready to be fried. However, first, we're making the dipping sauce, and this is very Colombian. It's ají de cilantro. And Valentina knows this better than anybody. She's gonna be leading the way and showing us how to do it right. If I show us how to do it, it'll be a disaster. So, ball's in your court, kid.
Okay, we are going to start. We are going to use a little bit of tomato, green onion, and cilantro, of course. We need the use of the tomato.
So this is, your mom typically grates the tomato like that.
Yes.
And I have to say, it's the first time I've ever seen anyone grate a tomato, but it's obviously working, so.
Yes, because we need the juice.
Cuídate. Don't grate your fingers.
This is what I need. Green onion. Pasta, especially. Cilantro.
I'm gonna rinse that for you. Always rinse your cilantro well before you use it. You can't assume they did it before they packaged it.
We are cilantro lovers. You can use the spicy that you have in home. What kind of spicy we are going to use today?
On that, she asked for hot, she's gonna get hot. I'm gonna put a little ghost pepper in this.
Please, no pepper eggs, okay?
I have some. You try. She doesn't trust me to add it. Smart girl. Oops, sorry.
No problem.
Mas?
Yes, you're more strong. You're stronger.
I didn't say it. You want a little heat, right?
Yes,
Do you trust me?
I trust you.
Mistake.
This is almost ready. We only have to add a little bit of spicy, and this is about your preference. I don't like too much spicy.
That's why I went easy with it, because ghost pepper's kind of spicy. If you want to go hotter, I've got scorpion, which is hotter, and pepper X, which is the hottest in the world. Oh,
Too much.
seriously? Oh.
No more.
You saw, folks, I just put 3 little
No,
drops.
it's too much. Don't use that.
Unless you like it hot. Some like it hot. Careful, that's hot oil, not a joke. Oops.
Perfect golden.
Well, there we go. Colombian empanadas with ají de cilantro dipping sauce. Now I'm gonna try it, see how we did. Any day now, any day. Wow, I almost passed out.
The crunch is perfect. Wow. This is insane.
And the seasoning too. No overabundance of salt, it's just perfectly seasoned. I love the texture of their miso too. Lots of meat.
Yeah, delicious.
Well done, Val.
Amazing, and we did it from scratch.
Well, you did most of it. I just made jokes.
Don't see that, Charlie. You also lifted the heavy one.
So there you have it. If you like what you see, hit that like, hit that notification bell so that when we upload cool stuff like this for your enjoyment, you get notified of it. And comment below if you like it, if you do it a different way. I love hearing you guys telling me what you do in your kitchens, okay? Especially my Colombian brothers and sisters. And until next time, hasta lasagna.